Hello, travel friends. Today we are going to be checking out Marriott's Lakeshore Reserve in Orlando, Florida. Lakeshore Reserve is located in Grand Lakes, which is attached to the JW Marriott and also the Ritz-Carlton. It's a very, very beautiful place on a lake and a golf course. One of the benefits of staying at Marriott Lakeshore Reserve is you get a wristband and you can use it at either of the other hotels, the JW or the Ritz-Carlton, to use the facilities there or the pools, and they are beautiful, trust me. I loved it. Lakeshore Reserve is a Marriott vacation club, and it is smaller in scale compared to some of the other Marriott vacation clubs in the area. I believe there's 86 villas and townhomes. They're very, very nice. They have 2 pools, I believe, and it's connected to a lazy river. I love this. They had free cabanas. Free. First come, first serve. We went in September, so there really wasn't much of a fight for one. Some of them only had like a couple chairs. Some of them had couches. This video is taken in September 2020, so not only was it September in the off season, but it's also during the COVID-19 pandemic, so it was probably obviously less busy than usual. This is also taken in the morning, probably about 8 a.m. before there was a lot of crowds. But there really was never really a lot of crowds. This right here is beautiful. It's a place, I'd come out here and have my coffee in the morning or like a glass of wine in the evening. It's just a lovely place to sit. They have a place that you can eat here. It was only used for takeout when I was there because of the pandemic and stuff. Very, very cool place to chill. And there's my coffee. I was fortunate enough to be able to spend a whole week here. I truly loved it. It was really awesome. It was on my bucket list. It's hard to get in because there is only 86 villas and townhomes, so it's harder to get a place for the week. I've seen single nights on hotels.com, like if you want to check it out for like a night or two. But I was able to get it for a week because I have a timeshare. Not a Marriott one, but I do belong to Interval International. And once in a while, it doesn't happen often, but you see them pop up in the getaways, and I grabbed it. I was able to get a 3-bedroom. This property actually has 2 spas, hot tubs. I didn't get a video of the other one. I'm not sure why. But there's, like I said, there's not as many people trying to use them at the same time because there's less people there than there are at other Marriott vacation clubs. And you have access to the other 2 resort pools too as well. There wasn't too many activities going on because of the pandemic, but typically, there's a big activities room, and then they have the checkers, the chess. This is chess. I'm not sure what this is, but they have pool tables and things to do. This was beautiful at night, and the water's warm. It's not hot and it's not cold, but it's probably good for year round. They keep it very heated. But this is going to be me taking you on a spin down the lazy river. I didn't showcase the villa I stayed in this particular video because I didn't want it to be too long, but I will add it to the top over here if you want to check out the villa that I stayed in, the 3-bedroom. It had 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, full kitchen, living room, patio. It was awesome. Here are some pictures right now, and I will link here if you want to check out the video, and I'll also link it at the end of the video if you want to see what the actual villa looked like. This is the beautiful scenic walkway that will take you to the JW Marriott and the Ritz-Carlton. It's really just a really pretty walk. Lots of cool places to sit, and you even go by like an herb garden that they use for all the hotel restaurants. I was going to meet my husband. He's a landscaper and unfortunately doesn't get as much time as me to go. How was your day so far?
My videoing?
I'm videoing you.
My day was very good. I had an adventure in the airport. And then I came to this really nice resort. We just got into the lazy river. Or no, we did go around the lazy river. We just got into the hot tub.
I think we went around twice.
And then we got in the hot tub and then they're like, out. Because of the storm. So now we're having beer and food.
We found beer.
Hmm?
We found beer. We're getting food.
Bye.
Bye. So this is the JW Marriott, and then this coming up will be the pool. It's outstanding, and I'm making a full video, which should be out next week.
Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out my other videos. I'm always in Orlando. I'm always going somewhere, and I love pools and hotels and resorts. Click the subscribe button if you like this kind of content. I'd like to have you as one of my followers. Thank you. Have a good day.
I would have to give my stay a 5 out of 5 for how clean everything was, to how beautiful everything was, to the staff. Everybody was so nice. It was very easily accessible to everywhere. We wanted for nothing. It was awesome. I highly recommend it and would definitely stay again. Thank you so much for watching.